In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best exterior wood filler for decks that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Bondo All-Purpose Putty. Bondo Wood Filler is a professional strength, versatile filler for repairing interior and exterior wood surfaces around the home. This fast-curing two-part filler allows you to make high-quality, long-lasting repairs to metal, masonry, concrete, painted wood, plastic, drywall, and more. This filler is temperature and hardener proportion sensitive. The warmer the air temperature, the harder and the faster the cure. Note that you must always mix and apply with a plastic spreader and wear disposable gloves. While this deck wood filler is fairly thick, it can still flow a little until it sets. Number 2. Minwax 1361700 Wood Putty. Minwax Wood Putty is a non-hardening pre-mixed putty that repairs small holes and covers other minor imperfections in painted, stained, and finished wood. The deck wood crack filler doesn't split, no matter the weather conditions. It qualified to our list of the best wood fillers because it's a user-friendly product that's perfect for DIYers who don't have the patience for lengthy procedures. You don't have to sand this outdoor wood putty once it dries, as it will naturally blend right into your rotted wood. Number 3. PC Products 163337. PC Woody is a two-part epoxy paste that is used to fill holes and gaps in damaged or decaying wood decks. This wood filler for pressure-treated lumber has an easy-to-mix ratio. Simply mix equal parts of the resin and the hardener in a plastic or metal container, then apply them to your project. It is stronger than most wood, meaning it offers a permanent solution for deck cracks. The filler is also waterproof, making it a great way to fix things like decks and docks that need to be able to stand up against the elements. Not only that, this wood filler for pressure-treated wood demonstrates the ability to withstand the effects of UV light. Number 4. Gorks GoodFilla Wood Filler. This is the most innovative, easy-to-use, water-based wood filler. It's designed for professional woodworkers but perfect for your everyday DIYer, too. Whether you have furniture to repair, a floor to finish, a craft to complete, or an instrument to design, this is your product. GoodFilla water-based fillers are so easy to sand you'll be amazed by how much time you save. Besides saving time, you can also save money with this good wood filler as it doesn't shrink, sink, or crack. It also has excellent adhesion, making it the best wood filler for exterior use. This product can be mixed with any pigment, tint, stain, or dye. Number 5. FamoWood 400222126 Latex Wood Filler. This latex wood filler can handle voids of different sizes. Like other no-mix wood fillers, it can be applied straight from the tub with a putty knife, but it stands above the competition in its no-crack, no-shrink water-based formulation. It is made of latex and real wood fiber. It cures in 15 minutes to a harder-than-wood surface that can be sanded, planed, and sawed. The Fama latex wood filler can also be stained or painted, and with multiple colors to choose from, you may well find a shade that matches your project perfectly.